Okay, well, here are some George's build tips for a tiny home on wheels, interior and also the exterior. Then for the first thing or first aspect is about the interior tips, and the first point of it is about to optimize the space. You can use multifunctional furniture and built-in storage to maximize the space or our interior tiny home. Then for the second point of it is about the light color. We can use light color on walls and ceiling to make the space feel larger. Then for the third point of it is about the natural light. We can incorporate large window and skylight to bring in natural light. Then for the efficient layout, design an efficient layout that meets your needs and minimize clutter. Then for the fifth point of it is about the personal touches. We can add the personal touches like artwork, rugs, and decorative element to make the space feel like home, feel like our self home anyway. Then for the second aspect or second thing about it is about the exterior tips. Then for the first point of it is about the durable materials, and then we can use the durable materials, weather resistant materials for the exterior finish. Then for the second point of it is about the aesthetic appeal. We can choose an exterior design that is visually appealing and reflects your personal style. Then we can consider about the functional features. We can incorporate functional features like outdoor storage, hooks, and a porch or deck. And then for the color scheme aspect, we can choose a color scheme that complements the surrounding and adds to the aesthetic appeal. Then for the landscaping aspect, it's about the considering adding landscaping or plants around the tiny home to enhance the exterior. Then for the design tips, we can use a cohesive design. We can ensure the interior and exterior design are cohesive and reflect our personal style. I mean, it was very important because this is our home, this is our tiny home, and we will living in this home for the long term. Then for the second point of it is about the functional design. We can design the tiny home to be functional and meet our needs. Then for the third point of it is about the sustainable materials. We can consider using sustainable materials for the build. Then for the fourth point of it is about the storage solution. We can incorporate creative storage solution to minimize the clutter. Then for the fifth aspect of it is about the technology integration. I mean, the technology integration is very important for the future living. So we can consider integrating smart home technology to enhance the living experience. And for the next aspect is about the additional tips. We can consider about the research. We can research different tiny home design before we build it. We can research the tiny home design and layout for the inspiration for us to make the best or the perfect design as we want anyway. Then for the second point of it is about the plan ahead. We can plan ahead and consider factors like budget, timeline, and also the regulation of the location. Then for the third point of it is about the quality materials. We can use high quality materials to ensure the tiny home is durable and long lasting. Then for the fourth point of it is about the attention to the detail. We can pay to the detail in all aspect of the build. Then for the fifth point of it is about the enjoy the process. We can enjoy the process of building and customizing your tiny home. And then by following the steps, you can create a George's tiny home on wheels that is both functional and beautiful for us.